video is going to be on coloring. That's not their theme song. I just feel like something needs to happen. Anyway, yeah, so this is their packaging. The coloring, what is it called? I forgot. Oh, Queen of Hearts. And, ooh. So it has a mirror. Ooh. We love things with mirrors because we know that we can go places with it. And we can do our makeup. Like, I'm telling you, it's so many places that you go and you're like... And then, first of all, the mirrors that they have in other places might not have good lighting. So you might have to find a window. And then when you find a window, you're just like, I need a mirror. So that's when this comes into play. You're like, oh, okay. Oh, I have a mirror. How convenient. On my palette. The fact that it has names and Crown, Royal Highness, Your Majesty, Princess, Empress, Queen Mother, Heir, Royal Prerogative, Noblewoman, Ladyship, Duchess, Dethroned. It has 12 of these in here. They have so many affiliate codes. Also they have, I don't have one, so don't look for one. I'm not an affiliate. But they have so many affiliate codes that'll get you 10% off of whatever deal they're offering, because they offer a lot of deals all the time. Like, they always have sales on their stuff. And I think at one point this thing was $25. Let me see. Do I have any in there? Oh, I got a lot of their lipsticks. So I might do... Well, I ain't got a lot of their lipsticks. I only got like 5. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh. So I only got 9. 10. I only got 10 of them. Dang, for real? 9. I got 9 of the lipsticks. This is technically my first time kind of trying it out too, so I guess it's turning into a first impression. So I want to show you the ones that I'm not even using on my eyes today, that I didn't use. This is called Heir, like Heir to the Throne. This one, I guess it's showing a little better without the sunlight. Nobleman. Let's use that one. Let's watch that one. Ooh, that's pretty. Pretty. Okay, Ladyship. Oh, more of a matte purple. More of a deep matte purple. And this is, oh, this is without any primer. That one didn't swatch too well. Oh, Dethroned. This is the one. And then when I bought it, it messed up. It got broken in the mail. Dang, I wrote it real hard. That's pretty. Oh, Queen Mother. That's more of a metallic purple. What an awkward place to have a swatch. And this Empress. Oh yeah, this is showing up really nice. Look at that pigmentation. Look at that orange. Ooh, that's some pigmentation right there. One more. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Ooh. Oh, that's pure gold. Ooh. And this is it. I'm not a professional. I don't act like I am. You know, to be honest, like, I'm I'm still learning. I really am. Like, there's no shame in my game, okay? And sometimes I do a good job, and then sometimes I do a crappy job. And then sometimes I'm like, oh, that's decent. So, but, you know, but that's okay. Because we going to hype it up anyway. We going to hype it up, and she going to be cute regardless. So, that's the mentality we're going to have on this channel, okay? Let's just show some appreciation to my little outfit right here. Like, look at my little romper. This is so cute. Ew. Ew. What? All up in her bonnet. Yes. I say what? Y'all, this, I kid y'all not, this is $3 at Walmart. We do. Okay, I'm gonna go into Royal Prerogative. Wait. Yeah, Royal Prerogative. It's like this. It's not a dark brown. It's more of your transition shade. We're going to put that in the crease. So now I'm going into Duchess. Okay. It's more like this deeper kind of, I don't know, to me it's like a brown. Oh. Look at it. I don't know. It's more like a, is it a brown? Or is it like a purple? Y'all. We're just going to blend. I'm probably going to, and don't worry about if it looks like this because we haven't put any makeup on, so we're going to fix that up when we do our concealer and stuff like that. Or we can just wipe it off. The name's Manly. All you gotta say is Batman to the cave. You get that job that day. Right this way. You need some throat lozenges or something? Like, should be pretty good. Anyway, I'm gonna go into Princess. Princess is like this light pink. Kind of, yeah. There you go, Princess right there. It's like a dusty. That's how it's supposed to show up. Ooh, it is pretty when you swatch it. So maybe it's just me. Maybe I just can't really. Oh, that's pretty now. It's like a pink. You see that? It's really pretty. Let me see. Like a dusty pink. And we're putting this on the lid. Let me see. So we're gonna go in with Royal Highness. Ooh, look at that. Look at that color. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Hello. Hello. And it's not a silver. It's not. It's not. I'm trying to show you. It's not a silver. It's coming off like a silver. But it's not. It's like this. Let me put on my glasses. Let me see. No, for real. Like, it looks like a pink. I don't know. I could be wrong. Let me see. Okay, did I mention that these products are cruelty free and they're made in the US? I think I still like the hand better. The finger better. I'm sure I could have did shiny. I'm going back into that Duchess, that the one we put in the crease. I went back into that one. that Duchess. And I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna put some more in my outer corner. I know my outer corner is already probably looking a little dark to y'all, but still, it's not. I don't know. Let me see. Like some stuff you gotta see when it comes together. Like on how it look, cause right now it just looking like I got bruised out a little bit. So next we are going in with crown, and it's not a white color. I know it looks like it, but it's not. Swatching it. Okay, that's what it comes off. But look when I swatch it though. Okay, it looks white. I get it. It does from a year distance. Oh, y'all see it? Y'all see it now? See? It's not really a white. Okay. And we're going to place this in our inner corner. Honestly, do I want it to go up a little more? This one I got from, went in with the green pencil, and this one I got from Walgreens. I think, well, I don't know. So, see that green? Isn't that pretty though? I thought, like, why not? Let's try, see if it pops or whatnot. So now I'm just going to go in with my eyelashes. I'm going to be using Flutter eyelashes. Wait, is it the company? Flutter lashes, yeah. That's the company. And by, I'm thinking, let's see. This one is called Intoxicating. OMG. Like, look at the difference. Look at that. Look at the difference. Like, that's crazy, huh? So, did get done with the lashes on. And now it's basically the base. Going in with my Murad Invisibler Perfecting Shield. Just a long name. Shield Broad Spectrum. SPF 30. Let me see. Like I said, I really do like this primer, you guys. Like, I don't even know if you notice the difference. You probably don't. I'm gonna go in with my oil. Like, I don't know. I typically kind of try to use this when I'm using a powder. I sometimes wear this alone, actually. Let's bag it up a little bit. Bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. No, stop. Oh, it's so pretty, though. Oh, drop, 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 drop. Run, run, run. Get it, get it, get it. It's probably breaking down the primer that I just put on. I have no idea. We're gonna try it though. Let's see. Oh, little glow. Oh, snap. Okay. Little glow here, you know. Ain't never hurt nobody. Ain't never hurt nobody. Let me see. Cut back on my light. Ooh. Huh. I don't know which one look better. The light or no light. Let me see. Ooh. 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 Feel like, oh my god. Like, look at that. Ooh. Okay, the setting spray I decided to use today is the Pixie makeup fixing mist with rose water and green tea. So I'm just gonna shake that up a little bit. Like, see, Okay. I know it looks like I sprayed a lot, but I I like the dewiness of sprays. Like, you see how it just seems like everything just came together, like just by me spraying. It does. So, what lipstick do we want to wear? So, this is what we came up with. About this red lip, like, for real, y'all. Like, I'm not used to wearing a red lip at all. At all. No. So this is this is new for me. But anyway, I just thought I would go for it. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta go for it, man. The look, I guess you can kind of see it now. I kind of feel like I'm a little orange in this light, but I don't know. Let's see. Well, I did have big twists in my hair, chunky twists in my hair, and this is what I used. I used like Camille Rose moisture butter. Oh yeah, moisture butter, green tea, and jojoba. And you guys, this is how much I used it. I emptied it out. It's totally empty. I need another one so bad. So yeah, that's a good product. When I use it to the end, it's a good product. Okay. But anyway, this is let me see. Yeah, this is the lip color I used. I might just write it down the bottom so you can actually see it and read it for yourself. I think it's Jouer though. I'm probably pronouncing that so wrong. But yeah, so, but thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. And does that sound forceful? Okay. But please subscribe to my channel. Mash that notification button, because I'm really trying to put some more videos out. And like, it would help if, the support was known. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so anyway, follow me on Instagram, Shorty7, as always. Shorty7. I'm probably gonna write it somewhere down here. Somewhere. It's gonna be somewhere on the screen. But follow me on IG. All my social media outlets are Shorty7. And, spread the word about me. It really does help when, I believe in supporting others and spreading the word about other people. But like, I would like for people to do the same for me. So that would be greatly appreciated too. But thank you for supporting me and just watching, period. So yeah, so y'all have a good day. See you next time.